morning, I am officially 2 kilograms heavier. Last time I was 49, and then yesterday 50, and then ngayon 51. Just water weight dahil nag-carb load ako because this is going to be my first time na magma-marathon. Anyways, this is it. Wala nang urungan. First thing first, kape muna tayo. So, yung asawa ko nag-bike siya. Bago siya umalis, ang sweet naman. Nag-prepare muna siya ng coffee. Yesterday, nag-claim kami ng kit. Kailangan mag-present ng valid ID sa Ayala. And wala lang, nag-claim lang ng kit. That's it. Pagkatapos ng Ayala, pumunta kami SNR for grocery bago umuwi ng bahay. Now. My Pringles.
Shortfall din niya
Shrek!
carbo load mo.
What is that? Okay, millennial.
Okay. No, yung plano ko, actually it's tonight. Technically it's gonna be Sunday. Pero because 12 midnight yung assembly, tapos 1 o'clock yung gun start, I just wanna think na mamaya na yun. So ikakabit ko pa yung aking number sa aking singlet. Pupunta ako ng starting line. Wait lang. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kape muna eh. Kagising lang guys. So pa sanang matulog more. I had to adjust my sleeping schedule dahil kailangan ko mag-nap mamayang hapon. Wala, nagising na ako. Rushi. Tweet, 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 tweet. Wala nang air. Shoutout nga pala sa aming favorite bike mechanic. Papadala ko na tong bike ko sa kanya para i-general check-up. General maintenance. Kasi pagkatapos ng marathon, balik muna ako bike. Kasi nakakapagod yung patakbo-takbo. So, kahapon ako nag-start na mag-carbo load. And first breakfast ko kahapon. You're so kulit! Yung first breakfast ko kahapon. Oh, sige. Fine. Aww. Okay. So, yung first breakfast ko kahapon was cornflakes. Day 2 of carbo loading. So, first meal ko today. Ay! Oh! Gusto niyang attention. Oh my gosh. Second meal of the day. Ang dali lang palang ubusin ng 500 grams of white rice pag masarap yung ulam. So, meron tayong bulaw. And then, lutik. And then, kagabi, I had pasta, like 200 grams of pasta. Struggle talaga ubusin, guys, when the pasta bowl is bigger than your face. Carbs, 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 carbs. Like, nakakasuka na ha. Or ganun din, almost similar diet, pasta, rice, yung ganun. And that's how I gained 2 kg. But that's just water weight because of carbo loading. 3 days after mag-marathon, I'll be, mawawala yan. I'm not really a fast runner, you know, just so you know. In fact, this is my first time na mag-marathon. The fastest I've ever done, like pace per km, was this. Pero that was for a 16-kilometer race. But I cannot expect that to hold that race for the whole 42 kilometers na marathon. This is my first. No pressure. Just finish it. Pero wag naman sana abutin ng cut-off. Which is, by the way, 8 hours. Just finish it na hindi umiiyak. And enjoy the whole experience, the challenge. So, it's different kasi with marathon, parang iba eh. The last difficult segment ng training ko was, 3 weeks ago, and everything was just painful.
Mahal yung gel. Carbs is carbs. Sugar is carbs. Salamat Del Monte.
Starting slow para hindi naman mabigla yung ating heart. Okay, kakatapos ko lang ng aking 8 km, 1 hour of running. So, kakasip ko ng aking, what do you call this? This is badass. And then water. Busog na ako, guys. But I need to constantly feed every 30 minutes. Now I have to go. 13.30 km na tayo. 1 hour and 42. Still have a long way to go. 2 hours na tayo. May 1.5 pa. Well, according to Garmin, I did 3 hours and 30 minutes walk, run, and average pace is 8:05. Pero according naman kay Strava, that was only 3 minutes and 21 with an average pace of 7:45 km. I'm tired and so ready to rest. So, 2 weeks prior to this, pa-easy ng pa-easy yung mileage and yung intensity ng workout. And taper for 2 days, full rest, and kahapon, nag-shakeout run. I will be doing my shakeout run. So, nag-taper ako for 2 days. And so, 24 hours before tomorrow, which is my first marathon event, kapag leg opener po tayo. So, I'm just doing 30 minutes warm up, 20 minutes na easy run, and a little bit of the race pace for 5 minutes, and then cool down. And nothing na mapapagod. No pressure. I-finish natin to without crying or problems. So, ito pala yung pinractice ko. Yung sinanay ko yung chan ko na gumamit ng ganitong gel. Hindi pwede na kung ano-anong gel na lang. Ito kasi malaki siya. It has 40 grams of carbs per pack. I need 2 of this every hour. It's not that I'm gonna do a sprint the whole time kasi yung target pace ko lang naman is 7 to 7:30. But the point here is that I want to finish the event without feeling destroyed. Yung recovery mo is fine. Like 2 days after the marathon, you feel like running again. So that's the point. You don't want to be depleted. You don't want to feel like you're dying. At syempre nakakapagod. But you don't want to feel like na-trauma ka sa event. So nutrition is very important. So I'll be carrying 8 of this for tomorrow. Yun yung nakasanayan ko. And there will be water stations naman every 3.5 kilometers. So I just need to be able to take this a few meters away from the water station. I'll be putting this in my gel. Imagine ilan nito yung 8. Ayan. Some runners would stuff it in their bra, but sige, mag-vest lang ako. And then, may ilaw din akong dala. Dahil, I told my family na ako na lang yung pupunta ng starting line. Sunduin na lang nila ako after mga around 6 o'clock. Hopefully, if I finish around that time. So, I told them mag-grab lang ako papuntang starting line. Kinlaim namin sa Ayala kahapon. The event pala is organized by LCF and it has my race bib. Muntik ko pang kunin to kahapon. Nabuti na sinabi ng asawa ko, wag. Kasi ito pala yung kasama ng mga ganito, of course, that I will pin dito. So, they already gave pala the finisher shirt. And yung singlet. So, looking forward to how it goes. Because guys, kapag na-enjoy ko siya, I might sign up for more marathon events. So, yun lang. And see ya. Bye-bye.